Okay, this is a video to demo KyCMT Realport configuration and testing. So with me, if you take a look at my screen now, I have a laptop and I have an Ethernet connection to this KWG3204A, okay, to the first port. Okay, over here is a serial communication port. Okay, if you see three uh, 3204, the 2 here indicate there's 2 port, Ethernet port. 4 indicate there's this serial communication port. So for my case, it's actually RS232. Okay, yeah, sorry, I wrote this wrongly. So it's supposed to be RS232, and so channel COM1 is connected to back to the laptop of COM9 over here. Okay, so this is the physical drawing, the physical connection. But over here is actually the schematic. Okay, later inside this laptop, I'm going to activate a software called KyCMT. Okay, and I'm going to create 4 virtual drive. Okay, 4 virtual drive. Let me enlarge this. 4 virtual drive. Okay, then through Ethernet, you'll connect to this KSP or KGW. Okay, through this Ethernet port, okay, he'll reach out to the 4 port over here. Okay, and today's section, I'm going to use the real port function of this product. Okay, so notice the first port of this KGW is connecting to port 9 as referred over here. Okay, and yeah, so yeah, let's have a round of try. Okay, so first thing first, we need to configure using the web page. Okay, reach out to the IP address of let me try again, 192.168.0.248. Okay, for my case is 248, but for factory default it should be 429. Okay, but for my case is 4248. Okay, and you should reach out to this page. Okay, obviously they will ask you for admin and password. Okay, so it's just key in. Okay, so the password, just in case, okay, let me log out just for appreciation. Okay, the admin is the username is admin. Okay, but the password is slightly difficult. It's small capital of PWD. Okay, $4. Okay, followed by capital KYA. Oh, KYALADE. Okay, let me try. Okay, I mess up. Okay, let's try again. Admin. Okay, now at a faster rate, small capital PWD, $4 again. Okay, capital KYLAND. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. I'm getting this correct. Okay, so go to serial communication. Okay, if you need, you may want to do a reset over here. Okay. So remember, after you do a reset, everything will be at factory default value, even the IP address. It will revert back to 249. For my case, it's 248. Okay. So let's go to the serial communication setting. Okay. Notice all are at the default setting of this. So maybe I want to change this to a higher baud rate, maybe 11520. Okay. And the real port setting. Okay, so now because I got the intention to set all 4 to be the same, but with obviously different port number, I do a batch apply. Okay, after I do a batch apply, notice if I go to port 2, there will be the same configuration with the same baud rate. Yeah, and everything is real time now. Okay, so let me show you guys. So this is at this point of time, I already configured this part already. Okay, so there are 4 port. There are 4 port. Okay, there are 4 port. Okay, and when you create the port, the serial communication port, it actually also automated the port number assignment, which is 950. Second port will be 952. Third port will be 954, and the fourth port will be 956. Okay, how I arrive this number later I will show you. Okay, so now I need to reach out to open to this KyCM software and do the necessary configuration. Okay, let me open up, and the software is actually over here. Okay, let me exit this first. Okay, and open up. Okay, and this is the software. Okay, you can do a very simple search if you want. Okay, let me see if I can do a simple search. So yeah, so I did a simple search. So yeah, so basically this is the hardware I'm testing now. Okay, go to the virtual connection part. Okay, and create the virtual port. Okay, create the virtual port, and what is the IP address you want to reach out to is 192.168.0.248. Okay, for my case it's 248. Okay, and how many port do I need to add? Okay, I need to have 4. Okay, before I press this or punch this OK, okay, let me open up my device manager. Okay, and okay, notice I already have some physical port of 3, 4, 9. Okay, so when I press OK, to request for the virtual port to be created, okay, now it's in progress. Notice instead of the port creating from at here, okay, it's actually created over here. Yeah. So we have port 1, port 2, and port 5. Okay. Okay, why is it not in sequence? It's because port 3 and port 4 is already occupied. That's why it will create in sequence in the event if it's occupied, then you will skip that number. For this case, 3 and 4 was occupied and skipped. That's why you get to see 5 and 6. Yeah. So this setting is actually referring equivalent to the setting over here. Okay. And earlier I mentioned the port number of how do I arrive the port number of 950. It's actually over here. Yeah. So it's 950, 952, 954, and 956. Okay. So let's have a quick test now. Okay, let's have a quick test. Okay, my first test will be using Modbus pool. Okay, and I would like to connect to COM port 1. Okay. And I press. Okay, I don't know whether I need to increase this bulb rate, but it's okay. Let me increase. And okay, there's error. Okay, why is there's error? Because there's there's error because there's no response. Okay, see. Let me show you guys why there's no response. It's because the Modbus pole is connecting to here, reach out to COM1, okay, and over here it actually reach out to this COM1 also, okay. But this COM1, when it reach out to COM9, because COM9 we haven't do the configuration, so there's no reply. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to configure or create a Modbus slave and connect. Okay, and this choice is instead of connecting to 2, I will connect to my real physical port of COM9, and the baud rate I must make sure that it's at the correct baud rate of what I configured earlier, and press OK. Okay, how do I know it's working? Okay, let me view the display, and you should get, yeah, this is a good understanding. It's working by seeing the telegram. Okay, let me increase the reading speed, maybe at a faster rate of 10 milliseconds. So you see there's a significant faster rate. Okay, let me change this value to 11. Okay, and and 11 is changed over here, also reflected over here. Let me change this to 22. Okay, 22. And the writing function is also good. Okay, let me increment this, and yeah, so this is good. Okay, this is good. Let me so the testing of using Modbus TCP IP from here, port 1 to this port 1 to 9. 9 reply back to port 1, then go back to port 1 again. Okay, this is good. Okay, but what I'm going to do next is, what if I go to reach out to COM2? Okay, go back to the, you will go to the COM2, okay, because I'm putting up a loop over here. Okay, putting up a loop over here. Okay, let me show you where is the loop. Let me see if I can enlarge this picture. Okay, okay, this is where the loop is. Let me see if I can show you guys. So yeah, so this is the loop. Okay, this is to COM9. Okay, this is the loop. The loop from COM1 to loop back to COM3. Okay, so this is, so COM4 is empty if you observe from here. Okay, so you may also observe after my effort of configuring the Modbus Pro and Modbus Slave, you see there's a lot of activity at the COM port 1. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is I'm going to use other termination software, okay, to do the thing. Okay, let me put up PC COM terminal emulator. Let me open up. Okay, so let me open up COM2. Okay, COM2. Okay, so because it's virtual software, virtual port, so we may just leave the configuration as per over here. So I have this port over here. This is COM2. Okay, I open up COM5. Okay, why COM5? Because COM3 and COM4 is already occupied, as I mentioned, as I explained earlier. Okay, and yeah, so whatever value I type over here, it should reflect over here. Whatever value I type over here, it should also reflect over here. Okay, so how this telegram goes, very interesting. Let me show you guys again. Okay. Okay, so it's actually from here, COM2 to the Ethernet. Okay, reach out to COM2 again. Then go to COM3. Okay, notice it's COM3. COM3 go to COM5. That's why I received it from COM5. Okay, I hope you all guys can appreciate this. Okay, so now let's have a quick pushing. See? Yeah. So let me send a figure. Maybe send maybe an ASCII code of 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0, A. Okay, followed by certain maybe something like this. Okay, and you will diligently send it over. Okay, did it send it over? Stop. Oh yeah, it actually received. Okay, so I think I need to do some break. Okay, send pattern. Okay, at the send at the interval of maybe every 200 millisecond. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, I need to change this, clear this screen, and change this to hexagon display. Yeah, this is where I get the 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3 that I did earlier. Okay, so what I can do over here is I also can create this pattern, and probably also replying the same thing. Okay, then you get to see the setting part ready. Okay, let me clear the screen again and put it to hexagon. Oh no, I can't put it to hexagon because it's in this mode already. So yeah, if you observe the light, it's blinking vigorously. I can tell from here it's blinking vigorously. Okay, for COM1, COM2, and COM3. Okay, COM4 is not operating. Okay, so I hope this will bring you a better understanding of this so-called Realport function for our product. With this, I end my presentation. Thank you.